Hello, this is the product update. We'll be talking about all the changes we've made to meshStack in the past weeks. And with me, as always, is Polina. Hello, Polina.
Hello, everyone. Happy to be here and give some updates.
And we're going to start right away with something completely new. It's kind of an addition to our dashboards. It's the cloud universe. Can you tell us what it's all about?
Exactly. So if you click here at the cloud universe on the dashboard screen, you will see this picture. And this is something really cool. What we introduced, it's the whole cloud landscape. So it's right now possible to overview all your relationship between the mesh object. Also, it's really interactive. You can move here, you can zoom in and zoom out. In the future, we will introduce more functionality, so stay tuned. But right now, the main value is that you can see the whole landscape and all the relationship just in one page.
Okay, and the new features we'll add to it will be of what kind? Like, will you be able to see the users there and the cloud projects, or how will that work in the future?
Exactly, it's a really good question. So what we are, the next step will be what we're planning to do. So you can zoom in and you can choose the user here. It will be the dot, and then you will see the relationship, and also you can go directly to see this user in which project there is. So it's like the big thing, but everything will be inside.
Okay, so it's basically a way to display all the relationships, the whole cloud landscape in your organization. It's supposed to be a fun way to discover it and maybe get a new perspective on it.
Exactly, it's a universe.
Okay. Okay, then we'll just talk a little bit more about dashboards, about the tenant dashboards.
Yes, we introduced this week the new Tenants tab, the first version of the dashboard screen. So just for your information, more things will coming, more things will changing. But as first step, I want to show you what's going on here. So here you can see the newly added tenants per platform for specific months, meaning that you can click here, for example, let's say October, and you can see how many new tenants you've added this month. So 4 for OpenStack, for example, 2 for Cloud Foundry, and so on. If you want to see, like, customize your view, for example, you don't want to see the OpenStack anymore here, you just can click and enable this. Or for example, let's say Azure. So in order to customize your view, you're also able to click and unclick here.
Okay, so we're still iterating on the whole dashboard topic, and just as the cloud universe, the tenant dashboard will also keep evolving.
Exactly. This is the point.
So then we're done with the dashboards as far as I can see it, and we'll hop over to another topic that concerns access groups on the platforms and how we handle them, especially when we delete projects in meshStack.
Exactly. I'm so happy to announce that there is no needed of manual effort anymore, and to remove the all access group. So what we are doing right now, how we can help you and enable you. So we clean automatically all access group. After some changes, I will show right now in the product. So meaning that it will not be added additional access group. It will just override all information directly on the platform. So let's go deeper what I said. So for example, for the mesh platform, and choose an Azure. And if we go to the settings and then to configuration, you will see here some things. For example, if you right now change the user group name pattern and you will override the pattern, you don't need to delete this access group afterwards in the platforms, in the different platforms. It will be just overridden automatically. Or, for example, if you will change here the names of the platform role, the mapping will be also done automatically. So, as I said, you don't need to delete it. It will be just be directly on the platform. And another thing which I want to show you, it's also in a landing zone level. So for example, if you go to the landing zone settings and you will rename here the role mapping, it's as well as I said, it will be directly on a platform overwriting and not just creating the new group. So it's amazing automation cleanup. We already done it for the Azure, for the GCP, for the AWS, for the Azure Kubernetes service, but please stay tuned. We will do it also for the OpenShift.
Okay, so the main takeaway here is that there's no more need for like manual cleanup of access groups on the platforms after you changed like the naming patterns or deleted a project in meshStack.
Exactly. And also to add to this, so after tenant deletion in meshStack, access group will be also deleted automatically in related platform.
Okay, then let's hop on to the next topic, the project users and groups in the admin area.
Exactly. If you go right now to the project overview, you will be able to see all users and group that are assigned to this mesh project. I know how important this feature was for a lot of our customers, so thanks a lot for your feedback. We introduced it right away. So you right now can go to the project overview screen, as I said, click to the user and groups, and you will see which users and groups are in this project, are assigned to the mesh project. And also another way around, you can also see now all projects a particular user assigned to. So you go to the all users tab, you choose the user, for example, let's choose me, and then you see all the projects when you click the button in which I assigned.
Okay, and one important thing I think about this is that in the future you'll be able to assign yourself and remove yourself from a project, right? When you go to the project overview.
Exactly.
Look at the users.
You will be able, in the next step, it will be the button here, so you will be able to assign yourself and remove yourself from this project.
Okay. And then on to our last item on the list. It's about payment methods and a way to see payment methods via the API.
Yes, I would like to show you one additional thing which will help to build your automation. So now you can get the information about the all mesh project that have the united payment method, so the same payment method via API. To get this information, you just need to specify the payment identifier and with the desired payment method. Let's say here I have the managed customer, and then you will get the whole list of the mesh projects which is related to this direct payment method. In addition, to have the whole list of the project without the assigned payment method, leave the payment identifier empty and blank, so just the white space only here, and you will get the whole list of the projects which don't have the payment method yet assigned. But just for your information, you could also do it not only via API, but we have it here in a panel. You can easily go to the project overview screen, filter here, and you will see a whole project without the payment method assigned.
Okay, so with this we just enabled ways for automation for getting the payment method via the API and doing stuff with that automatically. Okay, that's it for this product update, Polina, I think.
Yes, it is.
If you want to subscribe to a written version of this product update, you can do so in the description of the video. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to get updates on cloud strategy, organization, or technology. And we'll see each other next time. Polina, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
See you. Bye-bye.